I love this deliciously crunchy and creamy broccoli slaw. It's so good that I could eat it every day of the week. This has been tweaked from our popular coleslaw recipe and has crunchy sunflower seeds and sweet golden raisins.
This is a good one.
First, chop up the broccoli florets into small pieces. Then remove any tough parts from the stems and slice them into thin matchsticks. Remember, this is a slaw, so keep everything nice and small. To add some extra flavor, let's also chop up a bunch of green onions, then throw everything into a big bowl with a half cup of chopped fresh parsley, a cup of raisins, and a cup of sunflower seeds. Mix 1 cup of mayo, regular or vegan, with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, a quarter teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and 2 to 3 dashes of toasted sesame oil. We always add an extra dash. Then fold the dressing into the broccoli and enjoy. The salad is perfect for making ahead and storing in the fridge. I hope you give it a try.